In this short video, we'll cover the break tool, what it does, when you need it, and how to set it up in an automation. Break completely stops an automation at a specific step. When execution reaches that step, the automation terminates. No further actions run. Use break when execution must stop completely, to avoid processing duplicates, to stop invalid data, or to block an action when a branch condition isn't met. Most often, break is used together with router. Router splits the automation into branches by a condition. The then branch, where the automation should stop, points to a break step, while the else branch points to the next action. The break tool itself doesn't need any configuration. Just add it as a step, and it triggers immediately as soon as execution reaches it. Example: leads come in from Google Sheets, and you need to avoid processing duplicates. The automation catches a new row, waits for the data to load, finds the row, and router decides. If the record is new, continue. If it already exists, break stops the automation. Don't confuse break with automation delay. Break completely stops execution. Automation delay only pauses the automation for a set time and then continues. Use the delay before a search step so the data has time to load. Break gives you full control over when the automation should stop. Add it to the right router branch. No configuration required. When you need a pause, use automation delay. When you need to stop, use break.